Seeing your Lenovo monitor stuck in power saving mode can quickly become annoying, especially when the screen stays black even though the computer appears to be running. Many users notice the monitor turning on briefly and then switching back to power saving, showing no signal, or refusing to wake up properly. Sometimes the PC works normally, but the display simply never appears. In many situations, a Lenovo monitor power saving mode issue can happen because of loose display cables, incorrect input selection, sleep settings, or temporary communication glitches between the monitor and computer. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random display settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Lenovo monitor working properly again. Number 1. Turn off the Lenovo monitor and reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable securely on both ends. 2. Restart the computer completely and wait briefly to check whether the Lenovo monitor wakes normally afterward. 3. Press the monitor input or source button and confirm the correct connection. Source remains selected. 4. Try another cable or different display port if the Lenovo monitor still enters power saving mode unexpectedly. 5. Move the mouse or use keyboard shortcuts and confirm whether the Lenovo monitor exits power saving mode properly afterward.